last video for tonight is the use of Basi or Basin, which translates into like expressing hope or hopefulness or trying out your luck or your faith or in luck in something, or even expressing maybe or perhaps or uncertainty, something like that. Expressing an uncertain event. So I have these examples that you can check out and it'll make sense, right? So Basi, sometimes you'll hear it as basig, right? Basig with that g, that og at the end, and you'll see it. So padala og padala og payong basig muulan, right? Padala og payong basig muulan. Bring an umbrella. It might rain. Basig muulan. So muulan is will rain, or it's gonna rain. Basig is that whole word that makes this probable. It expresses uncertainty. So padala og payong basig muulan, right? Bring an umbrella. It might rain. If in case it rains, kind of that matter. If in case it rains, basig muulan, or maybe it will rain. Basig muulan. Perhaps it's gonna rain. Basig muulan. They're trying out their faith or luck that it might rain or not. So bring it just in case. And then the next one is buhata dayon basin og, right? Basin og malimut ka. Do it now because maybe you're gonna forget it. Maybe forget you. Okay. So maybe you might forget it. Do it now. So buhata dayon, do it now. Perhaps you're gonna forget it. You might forget it later. Basin og malimut ka. And notice how basin ends with a consonant. So og has to stand alone. If it was up here like this one, basi, where it's just ending in a vowel, you can go ahead and combine og with it. Basig, right? Remember, basi and basin mean the same thing. One of them is just with a consonant and a noun. Third one, basin og, like this one, the same again, basin og. Basin og mohulog ka sa kanang kahoy. I hope you fall down from that tree. Alright, I hope you fall down from that tree. Basin og is like expressing that hope or that desire or putting your luck or your faith in the aspect of ma. So mahulog ka, so you falling down. You, like we're incepting or we're expecting you to fall down, and we're trying our luck on that from that tree. And then the last one is basig naa mi pa sa balay. Basig naa mi pa sa balay. We might have some still at the house. Naa is that verb of existence, to have, to not have, to exist, right? Or not have is actually wala, but to have or to exist. Basig naa mi pa sa balay. Pa, the enclitic particle for still. We might still have some at home, perhaps. Or maybe we might still have some at home, right? So you're trying your luck to see if maybe you have some, I don't know what you're talking about, but naa, right? You're trying to luck your luck or putting your faith that you probably still have some at home. Still have some, right? Ba. And that's just the quick use of basi basin.